Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Teams meeting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you raise your hand in a Microsoft Teams call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to raise your hand in a Microsoft Teams meeting anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have to participate in a lot of online meetings, and sometimes the host is going to mute you. So the only way to alert them that you have something to say is to raise your hand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Teams dashboard. I've already logged into a live call. As you can see, the timer moving right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up a call, and this is the Microsoft Teams meeting. And as you can see, my camera and my microphone is off. But if I want to raise my hand so that way the host knows that I have something to say, up here on the top right, you're going to click on hand. It says raise. Okay, so this particular Microsoft Teams call, I'm the only one in it. I am the host. So this is what the host is going to see. From their screen, they're going to see a red mark on people. And when they click on people, it's going to show all of the participants in the Microsoft Teams call. And then next to the person who raised their hand, it's going to show this little hand logo. So what you can do as a host is you can go ahead and unmute them. So that way, if they have something to say, they can go ahead and say it. But that really depends on what type of meeting you're running. Maybe you're doing a one-way where you're the only one who's talking. You're not letting anyone else talk. Then you don't really have to mute them, but that's up to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to raise your hand in a Microsoft Teams meeting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.